Hi everybody, Crafting Journey here, That Journey Chick on Instagram. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. You never know what kind of crafts I might be doing. But today, the FedEx truck pulled up and I got a box of my favorite Premier yarn. Oh my God, I love Premier yarn. Anyway, before we get into it, I just wanted to say, if you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing, like, if you like the content, and ring the bell when you want to be notified when I have another video posted. I post every day, the morning show. The morning show features the National Day, This Day in History, and a new segment that I have added called Judge, Jury, and Journey, where I talk about active trials. We're currently going over the I can't say it. Guy named Curly, he's on trial. Anyway, it's adjourned until Monday. So anyway, so I have some yarn I'm giving away. That is not in this video. The yarn in this video today is all mine. No, I am going to eventually give away some of it. But I wanted you to see what I got. But if you're interested in the giveaway over here, not there, oh yeah, over there, up in the corner, I'll put a link to that video. Yay! So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, you share the video, and you leave a comment that answers the question that I ask at the end of the video. Anyway, so a friend of mine, she gave me Afghans all through the house. Vannas, Afghans, not mine, Vannas. So I did a quick flip through of this book, and Nikki gave me a little note. Anyway, I loved this particular Afghan here, and Vanna calls it Making Waves. Look how gorgeous it is. I'm fairly good at reading patterns, so we shall see. I ordered the yarn for this pattern. Now I lost my place. Oh no, she's got some beautiful, I don't want to have to look again. She's got some beautiful Afghans in here. I'm already doing the temperature blanket, but let's get into it. What did I get? Okay, so let me leave it open so you guys can see the colors of this Afghan. So let's see how close I got to these colors. All right, there's the colors of the Afghan. So first, it said to use 940 yards of cream. So I ordered, of course it was on sale, Eversoft. It's a 4 yarn and it's very soft. Oh my goodness, that's going to be beautiful. So each one is 270 yards. Does that add up to enough? Oh, I see why. I have 4. I have another skein of it. So there's 4 skeins of this white, creamy white. So we're looking pretty good so far, aren't we? Huh. That's beautiful. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 40. Yeah, there's plenty. There's going to be plenty with that color. Then I got 4 of this light blue Eversoft. I bought it all the same because it's one and the same Afghan. So far we're doing pretty good. Okay, so there's the other 2 of that. I'll leave that over there. And here is, okay, I feel like it's not all, oh, there it is. Okay, so I ordered 5 of the main color, because the main color, it said you need 1,250 yards. So I got 5 of the Eversoft in the royal blue. So this is the Afghan colors. I don't know if you can see them next to the Afghan. That's going to be super pretty. Ooh, I'm very happy with that. I like it a lot. Yes, I have some crafting in my future. Crochet. But it's been so gosh darn cold out. I don't mind, especially an Afghan sitting in my lap. Not at all. Now, I just hope it's a stitch I can sort of pick up on pretty quickly. Okay. Oh, there's more. Don't go away. There's more. You don't think I just ordered this, do you? Oh, no. Oh, no. We have more. So, this was not on sale, but I put the last one that I got into my giveaway. If you're interested in this 3-in-1 4-weight yarn from Premier, I am giving away one of these in the yarn giveaway. What do you want? It is dinner time, but you can wait a few minutes. So sorry, that is Jake, and he thinks it's dinner time. He's got another hour. I don't know what his problem is. So this is anti-pilling, everyday bobbin, 3-in-1 balls. So I picked out this beautiful color. Look at those colors. It's a very soft pink, a very soft blue, and then a pink and blue mixed. Now, I don't know what I want to make with that. Look at the sweater they have on the other side. Wouldn't that be pretty? If I wore that sweater, though, I'm a big-shouldered person. I would look like, oh, snowman. It's not my kind of sweater. I like making these hooded scarves, like this one that I have on. See? I love making these. So, you know, I don't think that's what I'm going to do with this, but and this wasn't on sale. It's 181 yards of each color. Altogether, 543 yards. And it is a 4-weight, and it's beautiful. So I have not decided what I'm going to do with it, but since I gave away the other one that I had, I decided I would get another one. I don't know if it'll go into a future giveaway. You never know. You'll have to watch and see. So the Sweet Roll yarn was on sale. 3 for $10, guys. 3 for $10 for Sweet Roll. Look at this color of Sweet Roll. This is also a 4-weight, 100% acrylic. These are all 100% acrylic, I believe. Yeah, 100% acrylic, 100% acrylic. I believe this is what this one is as well. Yeah, 100% anti-pilling acrylic. But this is gorgeous. So this is greens and blues, Sweet Roll. And they had so many to choose from. Yes. So I could not decide. And I wanted some to go in the giveaways. This will be, one of these or more will be in the giveaway that I do in March. The February giveaway, again, I can put that up here, a link to the February giveaway. There is one of these in the February giveaway. A different color, though. This one is purples and blues. Some of my favorite color is purple and pink. So, but I thought, you know, spring is coming. Let's get some lighter colors in there. Look at this one. OMG. This is probably one I will keep and make something out of. But look at the colors. Purple, blue, and cream. Oh my God, I love that one. And last but certainly not least, this is the one I had in mind for spring because it incorporates some yellow. Look at this one. Blue, white, and yellow. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Yeah, so 3 for $10. How could I resist? And then I had another. You know, they have at Premier, they have one of those reward programs. So I had a reward. So this did not cost me a lot of money. And I love yarn. You guys, I have fallen in love with yarn. Like, look at this. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous stuff. So what will probably go in the next March giveaway will probably be the purple and the blue-green. But I haven't decided. You never know. Anyway, that is my yarn haul, guys. So what do you guys think I should make out of the Sweet Roll blue, yellow, white? There are I'm looking 245 to 246, a little over 800 yards. So I'm always open to suggestions. What about this one? What do you suggest? Look, yarn. We love yarn. Anyway, I'm being silly. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to check out the morning show, especially since I've added my new segment, Judge, Jury, and Journey, where I cover live trials. And you know, I used to be a lawyer, so you're getting a little bit of a interesting perspective on what I'm seeing. So I hope to see you there, guys. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for enabling me to buy more yarn. And check out my giveaway for February. So get in on the February yarn giveaway, and March will be opening up soon. So guys, look out for that. Take care, love you all, and I will see you in the next